called the worm farm.
Here's the top layer. In the top layer, it's where we put in all our scraps from lunchtime and morning tea.
All our lunch scraps go in there. All these scraps are coming from all the lunch boxes, and this is where all the worms eat it from. It's in the banana. The second layer is called the casting layer, which is all the poops, and all the weeds fall to the bottom, so it comes out. I see free now. I see free. I'm holding it.
Okay.
It's my first time holding it, and it feels so gross.
Now we're going to collect the wormweed. So we put the bucket here and we turn this so the wormweed can come out.
And then we water the garden with the wormweeds. We're going to water the garden. And the wormweed is good for the plants and it helps them grow and it's good nutrients for the plants. Our apple tree. I'm watering a lemon tree.